Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the Dividend Emergency Fund strategy for wealth protection and how to protect your finances while continuing to build dividend income. To begin with, understand the purpose of an emergency fund. This cash reserve helps protect you from unexpected events such as job loss, medical bills, urgent repairs, or other unplanned expenses. More importantly, it reduces the risk of being forced to sell dividend investments during a market decline. Next, set a suitable emergency fund target. For many people, saving 3 to 6 months of essential expenses may provide a reasonable safety cushion. However, people with irregular income, unstable employment, or greater financial uncertainty may prefer to hold 6 to 12 months of necessary expenses. After that, separate your emergency savings from your investment portfolio. The emergency fund should not be treated as part of your dividend portfolio because its main purpose is safety, liquidity, and stability rather than high returns. Keeping the two accounts separate also makes it easier to track your progress and avoid using investment money for short-term needs. Then, choose an appropriate location for the fund. Consider accessible options such as a high-yield savings account, money market fund, or another short-term cash equivalent. The priority should be easy access, low volatility, and capital protection rather than chasing the highest possible return. Furthermore, build the emergency fund consistently. Automate a fixed monthly contribution whenever possible, and use extra income such as bonuses, freelance earnings, or side income payments to reach the target faster. Before investing aggressively for dividends, focus on creating a reliable financial safety base. Once the fund is growing, dividends can also be used strategically. You may direct part of your dividend income toward building or replenishing the emergency reserve until the target is reached. At the same time, balance immediate financial protection with your long-term wealth-building goals. For example, suppose your essential monthly expenses are $2,000. A 6-month emergency fund target would be $12,000. By saving $500 per month, you could reach that target in approximately 24 months, assuming no withdrawals or interest adjustments. However, these numbers are only an example and should be changed according to your own income, expenses, and financial responsibilities. Finally, review the fund every 6 to 12 months. Adjust the target when inflation, income, family responsibilities, or lifestyle costs change. If you use any part of the emergency fund, make replenishing it a priority so that your financial protection is restored. Overall, the key rules are to stay liquid, protect your capital, avoid panic selling, invest gradually, and review the plan regularly. A properly managed emergency fund can provide peace of mind and help your dividend portfolio remain invested during difficult financial periods. This information is provided for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.